Oh no. I got kimchi on my shirt today. Oh no. For real this time. I realized today that I'm supposed to send my little girl like an apron and like this head handkerchief thing to her kindergarten tomorrow for like some kimchi making party, and I don't have one to send. I'm kind of on this thing where I'm not buying stuff to wear, and I guess you would wear an apron. Yeah, you wear aprons. I'm gonna have to go home and figure out how to make her one with whatever I have in the house. Luckily, I found this skirt. Doesn't that look like it would turn into a nice apron? Yeah, I thought so too. And I'm going to go off of this to make a pattern. Can you guess how old these scissors are? First, I laid the apron down that I'm using as a pattern onto my dress so that I could see how wide I wanted to make my new apron. Turns out the width is exactly the size of the waistband, so I just cut down the sides of the skirt. Then I trimmed down the bottom of the skirt to make those waist-holding straps. Then I took the back of the skirt and cut the gathered part so I could make it flat. Then I laid the old apron on top of the fabric to cut out the top portion of the apron. Then I cut out the go-over-your-head neck strand piece. I'm self-taught, I have no idea what any of this is called. Now onto the piece for the noggin. Fold the fabric into a triangle, then fold it in half again to cut to make yourself a square. Now make the ever-important head-hugging straps. Yay! I already have white yarn in the sewing machine, so I don't have to change it. Okay, so this is the finished head towel, or what is this thing? Scarf? Head scarf? What do you call those things that they put on top of their people's heads? I don't know. But anyway, here's the finished that thing. I made the top piece to the apron already, but I am a little bit worried that this part might not fit her head. I don't know. We'll see. She's asleep. I can't go check. Now all I have to do is attach the bottom part of the apron and put on the two straps, and I should be done. Hopefully I'll have it done tonight so that I can see if it fits her tomorrow morning. I have now finished the apron and I've hemmed the bottom. Now that I'm looking at it, I have a feeling that's not going to go around her head, and I'm not going to have time to fix it tomorrow morning because I'll be busy getting her ready. So my fix will be just adding the top of this onto this, and now I have myself an apron and scarf thing. Or I have one for a little kid because obviously this is too small. Yeah, I was just thinking it's kind of funny that I made an entire sewing video without actually getting any footage of sewing. So is this kind of like that tree that fell in the forest that nobody heard or saw? Because no one actually saw me sew this, so is this all like a big hoax? I'll try better next time.